Hello friends. This is the latest statistics we have for the COVID-19 in India. Keeping aside the problem of data suppression by our governments, if we consider this graph to be true, or if we just believe that the number of COVID-19 cases is not affecting the trend of the curve at least, then we can have some hope for us, and we can hope for some positive situations ahead maybe. How? And what is the mathematics behind this? Let's see. These blue lines are the actual number of COVID-19 positive cases in India, which definitely is increasing day by day. And this increment of the number of the cases is certainly a subject to worry about. Typically, this increment is termed in mathematics by a very famous designation, that is dy/dx. The curve is getting steeper and steeper, that is for sure. And if we just see the earlier part of the curve, this curve you can see, though the number of the cases were very less, still it was increasing rapidly. Now here lies the most interesting part, which we skipped or neglected in our +2 mathematics, that is d2i dx2, or the curvature or the bend. Now in the earlier part of the curve, the bending or the d2i dx2 or the curvature was a positive one. That means it was a positive bending like this. Okay, it was a positive bending in this trend. So though the numbers were pretty less, the worry was that this will increase in the day by day, and subsequently it will reach a very huge number. The manifestation of any typical pandemic, right? If we closely observe this curve, then you can see that this positiveness of the bending is getting reduced, and somewhere like this, somewhere at this point or in this zone, this curve is somehow behaving like a straight line. Now for any line, the curvature is basically 0. So from the positive bending, the bending or the curvature is getting 0. That essentially means now we are reaching at a particular zone where the bending should certainly get decreased. That means we should experience some negative bending ahead. Negative bending means actually somewhat like this. This is called negative bending. Okay. So this is the curve. Now we have this curve basically published in today's Bortoman Potrika, the newspaper. And now if we just go with the trend, then we can certainly be assured, or we may have some hope that this curve will getting down like this, as we have already reached or already entered in a zone from where this curve will be getting a bending down nature. Okay, and subsequently our COVID-19 cases in India will be reduced. And what is the projection we have just now, that is the by July we may have we may get a COVID-19 free India. That is the projection. So let's see, whatever we have up till now, the statistics, this statistics is pretty positive, and we can hope for the best. Let's see. And last but not the least, stand with science, stand with fellow citizens, and reject supernatural dramas. Thank you.